Hello everyone, welcome to Canadian Desi Chef. Today we'll be making Badal E Jaam, a dish native to the Awadh region in Northern India. You can find measurements in a description box below as well. Let's quickly prep our ingredients. Chop onion, garlic, ginger and cilantro. Badal E Jaam is an exotic and colourful aubergine or eggplant delicacy. There is an interesting story behind this invention. Once the Maharajas of Kashmir visited to the Nawabs in Awadh and presented them morels, aubergines and turnips as a friendly gesture. Since then, these exotic vegetables and mushrooms become a part of a royal cuisine. And a lot of innovative dishes were invented using their own cooking techniques. Awadh is a Sanskrit word which means undestroyable. In culinary matters, no one can match the splendor of an Awadhi spread. There are three fundamentals of the cuisine. Food should be flavorful, aromatic and rich to provide vitality and energy, and on the same time a sense of disguise to a palate. This recipe comprised of three components which are prepared separately. Blend tomatoes in a mixture to make a puree. There are few more facts related to authentic recipe which I will be sharing with you shortly. This is the final consistency of our puree. Our first component is yogurt topping, which is a badal or a cloud in our dish. Ingredients are Greek yogurt, chopped cilantro, lemon juice, Himalayan pink salt and roasted cumin powder, optional. Mix everything well. Cumin changes the color of yogurt and hence it depends on your preference. Adjust the seasoning if required. Cover and put it in a cooler for later use. Our second element is tomato sauce. Heat up the pan, add oil and saute ginger and garlic until oil is separated. In the meantime, I wanted to share authentically this dish calls for tomato concasse, which involves scoring, boiling, peeling, seeding and then chopped to add in a roasted onion base. Add onion and saute everything till the time onion starts to turn brown. Here is a trick and a technique which plays a vital role to roast a masala accurately. Once onion started to get brown, add hot water as this will resolve three purposes. First, it prevents to burn uneven or smaller pieces as adding water brings the temperature down. The steam created by the water evenly cook the masala altogether. And thirdly, by deglazing the pan, all juices and flavors come together and build a complex rich essence. As mentioned earlier in this video, flavors are disguised. So they are there but united together to become one, which also called Badal E Jaam. Now add tomato puree and all other dry spices. Repeat the process and roast the masala till the oil separates from the masala. Considering the fact of a long process and a busy lifestyle, I have opted an easier way so that everyone can try and enjoy this ancient recipe. It looks really good. So now, once tomato sauce is ready, let's move to our third item, aubergine. Cut the eggplant into 7 to 8 equal roundels. Apply oil on each side of roundels and bake it in an air fryer for 15 minutes or in oven 15 to 20 minutes at 350°Fahrenheit, or shallow fry on a stovetop until cooked completely but not mushy or overcooked. I have tweaked the authentic recipe here as well to create a healthy version. Once eggplant are cooked, transfer it on a plate and sprinkle some chaat masala on top of it. Viewers who are new to this channel or Indian cooking might not aware what is chaat masala. So, it is a spice blend of funky, salty, spicy, tangy spice mix which is easily available in any grocery store under international aisle. Here revealing climax of the dish, the assembling part. Lucknow is famous for dum pukt, which literally means slow cooking. Now spoon out tomato sauce on top of the cooked eggplant in equal quantity. Once done, transfer it on a baking tray. Cover it tightly with a foil and put it in a preheated oven at 250°Fahrenheit for 15 minutes or on a stovetop on an exceptionally low heat for 5 to 7 minutes, which allows the dish to breathe in its own aroma and seals in all the flavor together. To serve, tear off the foil, transfer the roundels to a platter and garnish each roundel with a dollop of yogurt topping, representing mass of condensed water vapor floating due to the steam build and evaporate and made all the elements unify. If you like the recipe and my effort, please do like my channel and hit the subscribe button so that I can keep up the good work. Please comment and share your thoughts and suggestions about the video and where I can improve. It helps me to motivate to do a better work every time and excel in the same. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, learn and help others to learn. Bye-bye.